Yeah, shredding dirt. Oh, great. This is great. Oh! Hello, CoalTownCousins here. Sorry, but Justin couldn't make it. He's down in Exton at school. Right now, we are going to ride the tractor me and Brandon souped up. And then, we are going down to Exton to meet him there at his apartment. And tomorrow, we're going down to the races. But first, me, Brandon, and our buddy Anthony are going to ride dirt bikes. Tractors are better. Brandon's first time riding a dirt bike. He can't handle the big one. He has to ride the little one. Fucking go! I'm eating a sandwich!
Oh, he's stuck.
Shift it! Yeah, attempt to jump, the jump of doom. Wait, ready, set, go! Oh, sorry, dude. Oh, that was sweet. Lame. He's gotta fly down this hill, hopefully. Oh, there's a pricker butt. Ow, it's in my pants. I am sick of those dirt bikes. Let's go ride some real all-terrain vehicles. Andrew's a gingy in a goo. That was major intensity right there. That's the awesome power of the LAWN Tractor of Doom. On your mark! Get set! Go! Whoa, Brad's keeping up with them. Oh, Brad's cheating! Whoa! Oh, Brad, you could have beat him! Alright, we are done racing. It was awesome, was it not? And we will keep you up with the updates tomorrow at the races.